Welcome to livejobsinfo.com. Today in this video let us see how to apply for Dell. Dell is hiring for software quality engineer. Location is Bangalore. Experience is 1 to 2 years. Now let us see how to apply for this. At first you need to go to Google and just type www.livejobsinfo.com. Then search for Dell, or else you can also find an experience job. Here you can see the recruitment for this. As all of us know that Dell is a very good company. It is an American MNC company which mainly deals with computer technology company that develops, sells, repairs and supports computers and related products and services, and it is owned by parent company of Dell Technologies, and it is founded in the year 1984 by Michael Dell. The company is one of the largest technology corporations in the world, employing more than 165,000 people in the US and around the world. It is a very good company, and the location is Bangalore. Experience needed is 1 to 2 years. Qualification is any master's or bachelor degree in computer science or similar field is necessary. We need to have 1 to 2 years of experience for this. Job description is given here. You can just go through it. You can just read it if you are eligible. Like if you have 1 to 2 years of experience, you can just go through it. And the desired requirements would be like expertise in test automation. Actually it might be related to, since it is software quality engineer, so they are actually looking for testing, so that is why they are seeking expertise, a person who is expertise in test automation, both in UI and API automation they are looking. Even if you don't have, also if you have a basic knowledge, and if you are eligible, if you have a computer science graduation, either it can be graduation or else it is masters, you can just apply it. You can just go through it, and last date is not mentioned. You can apply as soon as possible, and just click on this official link if you are eligible. It will be redirected to the Dell website. So here you can see software quality engineer thing. Just click on this accept. Just go through all these details. You can just read it out, and you need to click on this apply now option. You need to fill all the details like first name, last name, email address, mobile phone number, category, location, career level, if it is a middle level, entry level, like that. So it is always suggested to follow the basic rules, like they have provided 1 to 2 years of minimum experience as per their criteria. So just follow that, and then you can apply it, and finally just tick mark this by submitting. You need to accept all these things, and you need to click on this submit one. Okay, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join our website to get daily job notifications. Okay, please follow our website. We will provide daily job updates to you. Okay, thank you.